A microfiber is just a towel, right? Well, not necessarily. There are various microfibers with different sizes, weights, and fabric that all impact the outcome of your clean. Today, we're going to break that down to show you what you need to use and when. A microfiber towel is called that because the fibers are, well, micro, or extremely fine. Being so small, they don't even leave dust or lint behind, and they're usually made of a polyester blend. While microfibers are used to make many things like mats, apparel, and upholstery, it's extremely common to use them in cleaning supplies. The towels can be soft enough not to scratch your paint, tough enough to remove wax, absorbent enough to grab oils and grease, and more water repellent than other types of towels. Perfect for cleaning and detailing cars. The best way to utilize the entire microfiber is to fold it into fours, and then glide it across the surface and roll. Next, reposition your hand to use the next section of the microfiber. This ensures you aren't scratching your car with dirt and particles previously collected on the microfiber. Then you'll keep unfolding it and turning it over until you've used all sides. GSM is short for grams per square meter, but that's just a fancy way of saying how much it weighs, which does have an impact on the quality of the fabric too. So all in all, when you see GSM in the specs when looking to buy a towel, you're looking at the density. They can vary between 300 to 900 GSM. The lower the GSM, the lighter, thinner, and less absorbent it is, such as a gym or kitchen towel. A medium GSM would be a beach or a bath towel. But have you ever been to one of those luxury hotels with the giant fluffy bath towels? That's probably 600 to 900 GSM, meaning dense, heavy, and absorbent. Common factors that influence GSM are the type of materials it's made out of and how it's woven. For instance, these are the towels we have and what GSM they are. So first we have our interior and waterless wash towels. So these are actually the same towels, but we use two different colors for two different parts of our car. If you mix them up, you could risk staining or scratching your car, so it's important to keep everything color coded. These are Terry Weave 300 GSM 70/30 blend. So Terry Weave is made of uncut loops. These loops increase the surface area, enhancing the absorbency and helps maintain a soft feel. Our interior towel can clean leather, vinyl, plastic, carpet, metal, wood, and electronic equipment, while the exterior waterless wash towel is used for cleaning dust, dirt, and grime. So they're both used for different things, so you can see why you wouldn't want to mix the two. And now we have the premium glass and window towel. So this is a diamond weave, which means that the fibers are very short and tight, and this helps it glide easily over the glass. It's a 350 GSM 80/20 blend. This is used to clean windows, glass, and mirrors, but you can also use it when polishing chrome and shiny metals. This is safe to use on electronic equipment, including computers and cell phone screens. This thick microfiber drying towel is one of my personal favorites. It's a twist loop weave 550 GSM 70/30 blend. The twist loop allows the towel to glide over surfaces while absorbing very quickly. Before, I would have to use multiple towels to try to dry my car and frequently wring them out and then try to keep going. But this towel is super absorbent, making it the perfect drying towel to complete the entire car. So this mitt is chenille with a stitched cuff to help keep your hand inside while washing. This is the same as the red one we sell online, but I just grabbed the blue because I actually washed my car with the red one yesterday, so this is what we had. Using a microfiber wash mitt is ideal for washing your car because it holds a lot of water, making it easier to glide across the surface of your car without damaging the paint. And since the mitt is so open, it releases dirt easier in the rinse bucket. And it's good to note that all of these microfibers are tagless, so they won't scratch your car. Like I mentioned earlier, it's important not to mix towels used for different things to avoid cross-contamination. For example, you wouldn't want to wash your paint with a towel that was used to wash your tires, as it could scratch the paint with the brake dust. And you wouldn't want to clean your engine and then try to clean your steering wheel, or you'll end up with stains. Along with organizing them in the shop, you also want to organize them when washing. So only wash microfibers with the other ones that were used for the same thing, and nothing else should be in your washer at that time. The most recommended way to wash your towels should be in hot water with detergent specifically for microfibers. But you can also use regular laundry detergent, not self-softening soap-based detergents. Also, don't use fabric softeners or bleach. The oils and other ingredients in softeners and self-softening detergents will clog up the microfibers and make them not absorbent. Make sure you dry your microfibers in low heat, as hot heat will make them hard and they can scratch your paint. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for videos every Monday on how to customize, protect, and maintain your Tesla. And make sure you leave a comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you next week.